Here is a quick video helping you assemble your detergent display. These are the ASKO detergent displays. Right now, all you're doing is taking the insert and breaking in those scores. And when you do that, you're folding into the lump. So set that aside and now go over to your main piece and just seal some of those scores nicely. We're going to go around and really just kind of loosen up the scores all the way around. So everywhere you see a score, you want to go ahead. On that bottom, do the full and then go to the half. And then continue around the display. You're loosening up those scores. As we go around, this will just make the whole process easier. Then, so after you do that one, then go ahead and put in your little tabs, bringing over your short fold on the bottom and securing that into the notches. Then you will go ahead and put in your wings, sliding that up, and then you're going to go ahead and put those side wings in. And they don't look like they fit very well, so just go ahead and pull them up and then snap them into the slots. You can do that on each side. Sometimes they pull up a little bit, but you just go back and do that. Now grab your insert, set it in place, and your display is ready for bottles of detergent. Thank you.